name is Dr. Kola Adegunwa. I'm a veterinarian with over 20 years experience in poultry industry.
Meet Dr. Kola Adegunwa, the distinguished veterinary doctor with over 20 years of experience across local and international livestock systems. A specialist in poultry production, hatchery operations, and biosecurity, he provides the technical leadership that keeps animal health, productivity, and global best practices at the heart of Diary of a Farmer's work.
In this project, we'll be taking us through a lot of teachings. We're going to be educating farmers, especially poultry farmers, about the do's and don'ts of poultry production. Listen to me. Are you an existing farmer, intending farmer? You are at the right place. In this project, Diary of a Poultry Farmer, we are going to be letting farmers know the best way to go about when it comes to poultry production. And what do I mean by the best way to go about? A lot of people in the time past have written why farmers most of the time fold up from the business. These are avoidable mistakes where many people don't get the right education before they venture into the business. And so we in this project, Diary of a Poultry Farmer, have done our assignment carefully, and we have decided to give farmers good guidelines that will make them successful in the business. And in a nutshell, we will emphasize more on management practice. What are those things you need to get informed about before you embark on poultry production? Let me start by saying the process of being a farmer starts from one, getting education, which we're going to be doing on this project. After you get educated, you have to get your source right. What do I mean by your source? Your source may mean your source of your DO chicks, the source of your feed, the source of your medication, the source of your vaccines, and even construction of your farm. Now, let me break it down. From the DO chicks, which hatchery are you buying from? Are you sure the pets you are purchasing are really from that hatchery? How do you get them transported to your farm? What are the medications in place? What are the vaccines in place? How have you arranged your brooding room? And how have you arranged for the right type of feed? Going further, as your birds begin to grow, whether broilers or layers, good morning. What are you following the vaccination schedule, the medication? Are you also preparing them for laying if they are layers? And for broilers, are you getting them ready for market? What are those things that makes your best not to attract international market? Do you medicate unnecessarily with antibiotics? These are the teachings we're going to be giving to farmers on Diary of a Poultry Farmers. And I can assure you, you are at the right place. Feel free to dial us, feel free to send us a message, and we'll be there at all time to respond to your questions. Nobody knows it all, but I can assure you with over 20 years of experience in this industry, there is almost no challenge that we cannot tackle together, even as we embark on this journey together. Once again, I'm Dr. Kola Adegunwa. See you very soon. Thank you, and God bless.